KAGE SnowFire BLAST is the ultimate snow pusher for compact Bobcat equipment with universal skid steer attachments. This floating snow pusher does it all. Hook up to the plow without needing hydraulics to push large quantities of snow, or add the top-mounted back drag kit for high visibility precision work. The 65-degree attack angle of the blade and curvature of the moldboard make the perfect combo for scraping down to the pavement and rolling heavy snow in front of your Bobcat equipment. The KAGE SnowFire BLAST is compatible with poly, steel, and sectional cutting edges, all of which trip back nearly 70 degrees to clear curves without losing your load of snow. Add the Advantage sectional cutting edge for even better contouring scrapes. Floating poly skids are easy on curves and substrates while allowing for curb-to-curb clearing. The floating skid steer quick attach and 12 degrees of side-to-side oscillation allow the cutting edges to remain in constant contact with the substrate, even on side slopes, while the rugged tri-form box-supported moldboard will hold up to the toughest challenges. The SnowFire BLAST is available in sizes ranging from 6 feet to 12 feet wide and fits on everything from skid steers and compact track loaders to toolcats, telehandlers, and compact wheel loaders. The attachment plate being so close to the pusher itself also makes it an excellent option for compact tractor loader arms. All KAGE products are proudly made in the USA.